Hello guys, this video will tell you how to fix the wireless display install field error in Windows 10 or 11. Before we start the video guys, if you have any computer or software related problems, please feel free to contact us by visiting our website and using the submit a problem button. And comment down below on our videos about your problem, and don't worry, we'll make a video for you to resolve it. Number 1. Check your network connectivity. Like, press Windows plus I key to open the settings app. After that, click on Network and Internet tab. Then scroll down and choose Network Reset. After that, just simply follow the on-screen instructions. Number 2. Check for compatibility. Compatibility like WIDI certified devices or Miracast certified devices. Number 3. Turn off the metered connection. Like, press Windows plus I key and it will open the settings app for you. Then go to the Network and Internet tab and choose Wi-Fi from the left hand side panel. Then click your Wi-Fi network and scroll down and just simply turn on the metered connection option. Number 4. Update display and network drivers. For this, press Windows plus R key to display the run box, and in the run box, type devmgmt.msc and click OK to open the device manager. After that, in the device manager window, expand the display adapter section. It will list all the graphic driver installed on a computer. Do the following for all the drivers. Like, right click on display driver and choose uninstall driver. But make sure to uncheck the delete that driver software for this device option in the pop-up if it shows up. After that, just simply go to the top menu in device manager and under the actions tab, select scan for hardware changes. The driver should appear back in the list. If it does not, don't worry. Just simply restart your PC and it will appear back. After that, again right click on display driver and choose update driver and select search automatically for drivers. Windows will automatically scan for available driver updates and will download them. After that, just simply restart your PC to apply the changes. If it didn't work, again right click on display driver and choose update driver. But this time, select browse my computer for driver software. Then select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. After that, select the driver you want to install. Generally, it is a pre-selected top option in the list and just simply click next. Then reset your PC to apply the changes. If even that doesn't work, you can try going to a laptop or graphic card manufacturer's official website and downloading the latest driver for a specific model from there. And then simply install the driver and restart your PC to apply the changes. Number 5. Restart remote desktop services. For this, again press Windows plus R to open the run box, and in the run box, type services.msc and press enter to open the services window. After that, from there, scroll down and find the remote desktop services option. Then right click on it and select restart. Note, if the service is not running, click start first and then restart. Number 6. Disable third-party antivirus software. For this, go to settings, click on update and security and choose Windows security from the left hand side menu. Then click on firewall and network protection. After that, click on domain network options from there. Then make sure to toggle off for the Microsoft Defender firewall. Number 7. Enable the wireless display feature. For this, again open the settings app and from the left panel select apps and then click on optional features. Now select add an optional feature option. After that, type wireless display into the taskbar search box to bring up the dialog, then click it. To install the feature, click next and follow the instructions. Number 8. Run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. For this, again display the run box by pressing the Windows plus R key. Then in the run box, type msdt.exe/id device diagnostics and press enter. Then click on next to run the troubleshooter. Number 9. Install wireless display from command prompt. For this, type command prompt in the Windows search bar and right click on it and select the run administrator option. After that, on your keyboard, type the command listed below and hit enter. The wireless display download and installation process will now begin with command prompt. So this was it for the video guys. We hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did, then make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And if it did not, then don't worry. Just comment down below the issue and we'll try to figure out what is wrong with your specific case. Thank you for watching.